Hello mga ka-finds! How are you doing today? By the way, matagal mo ng pangarap na magkaroon ng isang laptop, di ba? Isang maganda, good performance and durable laptop para sa iyong pag-aaral, thesis and research, or for your work from home setup. Pero hindi mo ma-afford. Well, problem solved today kasi meron kaming affordable. Just for 6,990 pesos, meron ka ng Fujitsu laptop. It's a surplus product from Japan tested for its durability. And here we can see we have the graphic port or VGA port. We have the HDMI and the three USB 4 ports on that side. We have also a LAN cable port if you would like to connect to your modem. And we have another USB port on this side. Meron din tayong CD-ROM para sa mga ating compact disc drive or ating DVDs. Now, ito naman yung back part. Super solid talaga yung itsura nito. Pwede nyo i-remove yung battery if you would like to use the laptop for much longer use. By doing it, you can just connect it directly to your charger, which is also included on this purchase, on this price. Yan. So, at para maingatan na yung battery life. By the way, yung duration ng battery life is from 1 to 2 hours. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-use. Okay? So, yun na, i-start na natin yung ating Fujitsu laptop. Meron siyang white keys, so napaka-comfortable, especially sa madilim na kwarto. Pwede nyo siyang makita agad yung mga keys. Ayan na, so super bilis lang po ito mag-startup. So, meron na po yung mga naka-install dyan ng games na kayang i-play dito sa Fujitsu laptop. You can use this for mid-gaming, for studies, and for work from home once again. It's 15.6-inch display. So, it's widescreen as well. So, magagamit nyo yan. Yan, di kayo mabibitin sa space. Diyan po, pinapakita natin kung paano i-connect yung ating Fujitsu laptop sa ating Wi-Fi, sa home Wi-Fi natin. Okay, so sinesearch lang natin dyan yung ating home Wi-Fi kasi hindi pa siya nakakonect dati. And then, just enter your password and then it will be good to go. And just click show Wi-Fi connection kung option para makita nyo lahat ng Wi-Fi connection. Built-in din po yung camera nito at super linaw po talaga. Makikita nyo po yan later. Ayan, so super affordable na po ito at on sale po ito currently sa TikTok. So pwede nyo pong i-search to. Just click the basket below this video. The yellow basket is available there, guys. So, what are you waiting for? Kung meron po kayong mga gustong, ayan po pala, pinapakita natin yung sticker ng Core i3. Kung meron po kayong gustong ipa-install na application software, just message the seller and they will pre-install it for you, like AutoCAD and Adobe Photoshop. Ayan po, nakikita na yung ating CPU's Core i3 2.3 GHz and then 8 GB of RAM, which will boost the performance, especially for gaming and for heavy files and heavy application. Ayun na po yung ating camera. Nakita nyo na tuloy yung kagwapuhan ko dyan. Super linaw po, parang camera ng iPhone nyo. Okay? Yan. So, meron tayong laptop pouch. Included din yan. Meron tayong mouse. By the way, iba-iba yung style ng ating mouse. So, randomly, depende po kung ano yung available po nung nag-order kayo. Ayan, so tinetest natin yung ating mouse din. So, plug and play lang po yan. No need drivers, already installed na po. So, hindi kayo problema dyan sa mga drivers na mga yan. Meron din po tayong extended mouse pad, super haba. Yan, kung sa mga gamer, madaling magamit. Yan po yung ating charger na, yan po. Yan. So, yan, plug and play again. And then, just hover your mouse to the battery icon sa may baba. Makikita nyo yun kung full charge na or kung ilang percentage yung battery. Yun po palang sa extended mousepad po pala natin. Depends on the availability. Iba-iba rin po yung style nun ha. So, hindi po tayo pwedeng mamili. Pati yung ating mouse. Depende po sa availability ng seller. Okay? Ano po, what are you waiting for? This is just for 6,990 pesos and malapit na po itong maubos dahil super po best-selling. Sobrang ganda niya at sulit talaga.